All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV people. Welcome again. MGTV Sports Media. Big up. Anyways, we have some good news for the Reggae Girlz fans. I think this is important because this is a big aspect in what we're trying to do and what we want to do. But definitely, before I get to the details, let me give you the headline, the highlight or the headline. So the Reggae Girlz got 10 million for 10 million Jamaican dollar for the chartered flight, which is showing that the government or the sports minister is really pushing in some investment into the Reggae Girlz, which is quite good. But anyways, smash the like button, people. Hit that subscribe button before we get into the details of it. So make sure you do that, people. As you know, on the road to 50K by the end of the year. Anyways, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll kick the show off right now. From here! Ooh, well done, DJ. Karate well, DJ. Good. So we're back now. We are back. People. We are back. All right. So this here is the article, people, by the sports minister. Let me read through it a bit. So the national senior sports minister to provide 10 million for the Reggae Girlz chartered flight. The National Senior Women's 2023 World Cup qualifying campaign received a financial boost as Sports Minister Olivia Grange has announced a contribution of 10 million to help cover the cost of their chartered flight for the World Cup qualifiers in Grenada on February 20th. Funny enough, where's this money coming from all of a sudden? Anyways, we won't get into that. Jamaica are set to open their first round of the home game against Bermuda next Thursday. According to Grange, Jamaica Football Federation President Michael Ricketts informed her that they were facing difficulties in securing a chartered flight in the time for the February 20 game. Yeah. So Ricketts, boy, I tell her, tough. She said the assistance was provided without hesitation. Hey. The 10 million has been provided through the Sports Development Foundation as the Reggae Girlz embark on another World Cup journey. We assist their 2019 World Cup qualifiers campaign. Let me enlarge this just a little bit so you guys can see where where did I reach? Where did I reach? Yeah, to the tune of $20 or 20.1 million, and we assist in their World Cup. We assist in their 2019 World Cup campaign to the tune of $20.1 million dollars, and will continue to play our part in whatever way we can to ensure that they are back at the finals in 2023. Green said in a release yesterday. Ooh. Good. So where am I? Where am I? Why me keep on a mix up? Anyways, all right. So, today we will always be proud of the Reggae Girlz for that historic qualification for the Women's World Cup in 2019. The Reggae Girlz 23-player squad was announced yesterday by head coach Vin Blaine, and the members of the squad are expected to arrive on Monday to prepare for Thursday's Group C opener. Only group winners in the 6 first-round groups will qualify for the 8-team final round, which take place in July. So, it's really positive that the Reggae Girlz are getting that level of support from the ministers and all the particular parties that are involved, because as you know, this is football. Football is huge. It's a huge business. A lot of billions of dollars is invested in football, and the returns is also billions of dollars. So why not? Why not invest to get that level of, or that amount or that sum of returns? Why not? But that's how it is, people. Happy to know that the Reggae Girlz are receiving these type of treatments. That's really good to know. It's just sad that won't get into that. So anyways, people, smash the like button, hit that subscribe button. As you know, Military Guna TV, people, and we are out.